Yeah. This is hip hop. HIP, HAQ.
Yeah, rap with some of that sparkling Zamzam, fam.
Yeah.
You know what we do?
We got balls.
Quench our thirst. The water of Zamzam.
Cue the poet.
Sparkling though. Let's go.
Mustafa Abdul. Hey yo, what is this? Got a lot of people in my business. Got a call from Q, said it's time to do a remix. Egyptian revolution, America's near. The hip hop gang twisted, we should be the emirs. And it's clear, thank the Lord for his blessings. Couple salawats, thank Muhammad for his lessons. They be guessing, got the lil when I be speaking out. I overflow ailment on the track, it be leaking out. Hold up, take me serious, don't hate me. Q should be in your iPod, him and AB. You love wordplay, we giving up balls. If you ain't heard about us, you probably living on Mars. Back to earth, my religion taking over. You can hear it in my voice, I'm one of the lost soldiers. Scholars like, give this up, stop, why bother? Every time my album drop, it's more shahadas. Do this in the name of the Lord, how proper. You listen to a Muslim Tupac and Big